Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is we're gonna make again unpacking some new cards, some Pokemon cards over in here. So I have this new Pokemon cards again from Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. So and then again, so some says that it is a fake Pokemon cards is because there's no promo code. Okay, and then yes, I don't I don't I don't care about it. So all I want is just collecting Pokemon cards, and also I love collecting and I love doing it. So there's no illegal of what I am doing. It's because this is also my happiness also, and Pokemon is also my childhood. So I really do like Pokemon cards, collecting Pokemon cards, and watching again the cards that I have. So okay, let's gonna start it up. Okay, let's gonna start it up. Okay, so here it goes. I have some I have some six mini box. I have some six mini box here, and also six booster packs. So I'm gonna divide it. So I'm gonna be unpacking two mini box and two booster packs. So two booster packs. So okay, right there I'm gonna open these two booster packs, and on to the next day I'm gonna be unpacking again two mini box and two booster packs. Okay, so I'm gonna have to keep it this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep it, and then I'm gonna have to pick two of these. Okay, I'm gonna pick two of these. So I'm gonna pick this two shaming, and then uh I'm gonna have to okay, so this is just gonna be a short unpacking of Pokemon cards for today. So I'm gonna start with these two over here, and then let's gonna go open this up. Okay, let's gonna go open. There's no promo for this because this is from there's no promo code because this is only from Philippines. This is this is from Philippines. Okay, another one. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, then go, then yeah, okay, this one. Okay, okay, Eagle Tell, Orecorius Sadegas, Cinderace, Luxray, Dodrio, and a Chitol. So what is this? Let's gonna go what is this. Okay, let's gonna go what is this one. Okay, okay, it's upside down. It's upside down. So what is this one? So it's a psychic type. Okay, what is this? It's a psychic type. Okay, this is a new one. It's a Mew. Okay, yeah, okay, it's a Mew. It's a Mew. Okay, okay, and then some. Okay, on to the next last mini box. Okay, and then to the last mini box. Okay, okay, and then turn semi-seer. So graben. Okay, Adabul, Locario, Vidimaro, Grimstar, Cintiq Porch, Trippy, and a Mew VMAX again. So Toxtricity, Chandler, Barascuda, Mew, Grapluct, Jupiter, Simisear, Pikachu V, another Shaman V Astro. Okay, so I'm gonna where did I kind of okay this one. Morpeko, Centiscorch, Draclo. Okay, a Bolton, another Bolton VMAX. Okay, and then Toxtricity. Okay, what is this one? Okay, it's a grass type. It's a grass type. Okay. Okay, it's a grass type. No wonder what it is. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Rillaboom VMAX. Right, okay. Rillaboom VMAX. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that nice one. Okay, so far, okay. Okay. Let's go to this booster pack. Let's go to this booster pack. Okay, okay. We have some Mimikyu VMAX, Mimikyu V. Excuse me. So there's an Ice Cube, Drampa, Arceus again. Okay, I have that one. I have already an Arceus, Dragon. Okay, another. Oh, what? I don't know what is this one. Okay, so a Shimin again. So I have that Shimin. Excuse me. And also a Minchino. So what is this one? It's a water type. Okay, let's check. It's a water type. Okay, Ride of the Hiking. I think Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX. Okay. Okay, Ice Rider, so Dynamax. Okay, it's a Dynamax. So I'm gonna check that out if I have this Dynamax already. If I have already Dynamax, so I just have to make a Gigantamax. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Next, and then on to the last one. So after it, I'm gonna make a recap. Okay, I'm gonna make a recap of the Pokemon cards. Okay. So again, there's a Starly, okay, Zamagenta, Agron VMAX, Arceus, okay, another Shaman V Astro, and SQ. Oh, nice one. Okay, nice art. Okay, nice art overhead. Okay. A Beartech. Oh, another Charizard V Astro. Nice one. Okay, nice. And an Urshifu Rapid Strike. So nothing new. So again, it's a Rapid Strike again, Urshifu. So here it goes. Pulls so far. Okay. This is the pulls. This is my pull. So I have again another Mew V, Rillaboom VMAX, Gigamax form. And also the Gigantamax, Dynamax of the Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX, and Rapid Strike Urshifu V. And also right here is I have some another VMAX of Agron, Mimikyu VMAX, and Mew VMAX. So here are some V cards. Okay, here's some Shamin, Arceus, Zamagenta, Shamin again, Arceus. Okay, that is one nice one over there. So I have this already. Okay, Arceus V, another one. Okay, and then Zamagenta, Jumpa, Mimikyu V. Okay, a Bolton V Max, put that right there. Simisear, Pikachu V, Mew V, Chandler V, Locario, Appleton, Simisear, Charina, Mew, Ingredient, Dodrio, Cinderace, Abominable Gengar, Gradient VMAX. So gonna put that in the VMAX. Okay, and then go. Okay, gonna compile it again. So on to the next. Okay, we have some basic over here. We have Beer Tech, Ice Cube, Trainer, what is this called? Okay, Starly, Minchino, another one, the Dragon. Okay, alright one. Alright, basic, then this one. Okay, basic. Okay, the Dragon, Ice Cube, Toxtricity, Centiscorch, Dracloak, Morpeko, Graplocked, Jupiter, Barracuda, Toxtricity again, Togedemar, Gnuspar, Centiscorch again, Drippy, Davul, Dragon, Orokuda, Toxel, Indeedee, Tutul, Luxray, Oricorio, Sandygast, Corbinite, Howlucha, Phalanx, Frostmoth, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Sigilift, Phalanx, Araquanid, Rockedy, and Snom. So that was the basic cards. So normal cards, okay, that is the basic and normal cards. And then we have right here some Charizard V Astro, Ashimin V Astro, Eviltal, a legendary Pokemon, Virizion, a legendary Pokemon, and another Shaman V Astro. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then go another on to the next day. Okay, on to the next day, because tomorrow I will be having some retro tech vlogs. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.